Welcome everyone to CMS Digital Classrooms. Okay, so we are going to learn about the next topic of your chapter 8, which is the operations on algebraic expressions. So we have already learned about the introduction part of algebraic expressions. We have done some questions also related to 8a and 8b. So now next chapter is based on the operations on algebraic expression. So whenever we talk about operations, then first thing come in our mind is addition. Okay. So we will discuss first about the addition. So addition of algebraic expressions. Okay. So what happens in additions of algebraic expressions is the first most important thing you have to take care is about like and unlike terms. So we already have learned about the like and unlike terms. Like terms are the terms whose variables are same. Okay, constant term may be another, but if variables are same, then we can say those numbers are in like, and if those are not same, then those are not like. Okay. So the most important thing is to check that like and unlike terms. So if we talk about the real life example, you cannot add chair with the tables, right? अगर हम बोल रहे हैं 5 chairs plus 7 chairs, then only you can say 5 plus 7 chairs. Okay. But if I am saying, then you can add those two terms. Okay. So if I am saying 5 chairs plus 7 chairs, so then only you can add these two chairs. Okay, so 7 plus 5 is how much? 12, right? So 12 chairs. So in this case only we can add. But if it is suppose 5 chairs plus 7 tables, then will you add? No, then it will not add. Why? Because these constant terms, these are not same. So here we cannot add 7 plus 5, we cannot say 12, because if you say 12, then what? 12 chairs? No. 12 tables? No. So this is wrong. This is not correct concept. So when those two terms are in like, then only you can add. This is the basic concept of additions of A and algebraic expressions. So here you can see some example so that we can understand. Okay. Suppose here one addition is, we are taking an example. So we want to add these all. So you can see here also xy square, here also xy square, xy square, xy square. So these all are in like terms. So we can add. So suppose we want to add these all numbers. So how we can write these? 6 xy square. Here either directly you can write minus 4xy, or you can write plus minus 4xy square. इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हो, क्योंकि we are adding and this is negative term, so we have used addition sign and this negative number. Okay, so rest of all are positive numbers. So xy square plus 5xy square. So now suppose we are adding the constant terms first. So here nothing means 1 is there. So if you add 6 plus minus 4, so 6 plus minus 4 means 6 minus 4 only. So here also we are writing the same way, plus 1 plus 5. Okay. So this is one, and another this x y square is there. Okay. So now we will add these all terms. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 how much? 7 plus 5 12, right? So plus we have 12 minus 4, okay, and x y square. So 12 minus 4 is equal to how much? 8. So 8 x y square will be the required answer. So if you add these all terms, then the answer will come 8xy square. Okay, so this is the required answer of this sum. So this is how you can add any algebraic expressions if it is given. But you have to keep in mind very carefully that you can add only those whose numbers are in like terms. Okay, तो like में रहेगा जो उसी को ऐड कर सकते हो. If these variables are not same, then we cannot add. Okay. So here suppose this is the question which is mixed with the like and unlike terms. So this question is asking first collect the like terms and then simplify. So first here you have to collect the like terms. So let's do the solutions. So collecting the like terms, the required numbers will come from this. We are collecting. So first we will collect all the x square. So here we have 5x square. Okay, which one is x square? These are the 2x square. So plus we have 4x square, then minus 3x square. Okay, any else x square? No. Then next we will move to the x. So here minus 2x. So minus 2x. This is plus 7x. So plus 7x. And then here again minus x. So minus x. And then we have plus 7. So plus 7 minus 9 and plus 1. So this is how you can see we have arranged first these two, then these three, okay, then these two, three, and then these three. So we have collected all three numbers separately. Now we will add or subtract. Okay. So here how it will be? This will be 5 plus 4 minus 3 into x square. You can write. So now this one plus 7 minus 1 plus 7 is of that term. So 2 also is there. No? So 2. Okay. So this much from here. So minus we have 2 plus 7 minus 1. Okay, so this is the thing which we have, and x plus 7 minus 9 plus 1. So now we will check this. So this is 5 plus 4, 9. 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3 is 6, right? So here it will be 6 x square. Okay, this one minus 2 and minus 1. So minus 3 and plus 7. How much? Minus 3 and plus 7. So plus 5 will be, no, plus 4 will be. Okay, so plus 4x and minus, this is plus 7 and plus 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 minus 1 is minus 1. So minus 1. So this will be the required sum after collecting into the like terms. Okay, तो इस तरह से हम लोग कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे आप पॉजिटिव साइन दे सकते हो, ठीक है, because you have kept negative sign inside. So this is how you can solve this type of questions. Okay, if it is asking collect in like terms and then add, then you will first collect in all the like terms and then you will add. This is how solve. Okay. Now we will discuss another method which is called column method. Okay. So column method, from the name itself you may able to understand that what the column method is. Means we first arrange the number in column. So how can we arrange the number in column? That is the most important thing. We can arrange the column for like fractions, one column, for another all the like fractions we will keep one column. So here first you have to arrange all the numbers in or you can write directly also just by putting the like button. So here in this you can see 5x square is first, so we will write here 5x square. Okay, then in this we have 3x square, so we will write here 3x square. This is a column, and then here we have 9x square, so I will write 9x square. Then here we have minus 2x square. So if negative sign is also there, then also you have to keep in mind negative sign अगर रहता है तो negative में लिखना है, ठीक है? So this is minus 2x square. Okay, minus 2x square. Now the next term we will see, which is y. So here plus 7y. Okay, this is done. So here 4y. So plus 4y. Then in this we have minus 9y. So minus 9y. So we have to write here minus 9y. Okay, and then in this 2y. So plus 2y. Then next term which we have minus 6z square. So here minus 6z square. Okay, in this z is not there. Okay, in third we have 2z square. So here we have plus 2z square, and in this also we don't have any z. So now we will add these all terms. अब हम लोग ये सारे टर्म्स को ऐड करेंगे. तो अब ऐड करते समय ये चीज ध्यान रखना है कि we will not add as like simple addition. हम लोग सिंपल एडिशन की तरफ से ऐड नहीं करेंगे. कैसे ऐड करेंगे? यहाँ पे प्लस 6z है और यहाँ पे सॉरी यहाँ पे माइनस 6z स्क्वायर है और यहाँ पे प्लस 2z स्क्वायर है. तो माइनस 6z स्क्वायर प्लस 2z स्क्वायर कितना हो जाएगा? माइनस 4z स्क्वायर. तो इस तरह से एडिशन करना है, ठीक है? तो फिर हम लोग नेक्स्ट टर्म में देखेंगे यहाँ पे प्लस जो है 6 plus 4 हाउ मच? सॉरी 7 plus 4 हाउ मच? 11, राइट? 11 plus 2 13, right? So here 13y and minus is 9 we have. So 13y minus 9y. So check once, how much? 4y. Okay, and this sign will be used, plus sign, because plus number is greater. Okay, so here we will write plus 4y. Okay, here we will write plus 4y, and the next number we will move to the this x square ones. So here you can see all these all are in plus and this is only in minus. So just you do what you do is you just subtract 2 from anyone. Okay, 2x square from anyone. So if you subtract 2x square from 3x square, it's only x square will be left. So 9x square plus 1x square is 10x square. 10x square plus 5x square is 15x square. ओके, या तो आप सारा को ऐड करके 2 माइनस कर दो, फिर भी आपका 15x स्क्वायर ही आएगा. तो इस तरह से ये जो सारा सम हुआ उसका रिजल्ट हम लोग का आ जाएगा 15x स्क्वायर प्लस 4y माइनस 4z स्क्वायर. ओके, तो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन ऐड इन कॉलम आफ्टर राइटिंग इन कॉलम. इस तरह से कॉलम में लिखने के बाद आप ऐड कर सकते हो कोई भी एक्सप्रेशन जो भी रहेगा, ठीक है? व्हाटएवर द एक्सप्रेशन इज गिवन. Now subtraction of algebraic expression. So in case of subtraction, what we will do? In case of subtraction is also as like the addition only. Addition की तरह ही है. Just you have to keep in mind one thing. In case of subtraction, before not subtracting, before adding, we will add in subtractions also, but we will change the sign first. Okay, so how we can change the sign? For example, here it is asking subtract this much from this. So from this means this first you have to write. So let's write x square first we are writing. Okay, so or you can write first xy also, so whatever you want. So let us suppose I am writing first x square only. Okay, and then I am writing suppose y square. Okay, so we have x square plus 7y square minus 3xy plus 5. Okay, this is the same equation I have just changed. This I have written first and then this I have written, and this is the equation, and from this you have to subtract this one. So this is also I am writing. So first I am writing x square term, so minus 4x square. Okay, then we have minus y square, then 6xy we have, which is plus, so 6xy and then minus 2. So these are the two terms which we have now. First we will change the sign of this one only. इसी का सिर्फ sign हम लोग change करेंगे. So what will be? This is negative sign, it will be positive. This is negative sign, this will also be positive. This is positive sign, this will be negative. And this is negative sign, this will be positive. And after that, now we will add. Okay. So if you add this now, this is not negative sign now. This is positive sign now. So this is also positive sign. So it will be 8. So 5 plus 2, it will be 7. This is plus 7. And now this is also negative sign. This becomes also negative sign. So these two terms also will be added. Okay. So 6 plus 3 is 9, right? So now 9 x y. So minus 9 x y. Okay. And now we have here is this is also in plus and this is also in plus. So 8 plus 8 y square. Okay. And this is also in a plus and this is also in plus. So it will also be added. So 5x square. Okay. So 5x square plus 8y square minus 9xy plus 7 will be the required difference of these two numbers. Okay. So very easy thing to keep in mind that we will change this sign of all these numbers. ये जो नीचे का नंबर्स है उसका सारा का साइन चेंज कर देंगे और उसके बाद हम लोग नॉर्मली ऐड करेंगे. ठीक है. आप यहाँ पे अगर इसको अरेंज नहीं भी करते हो तो भी बना सकते हो, बट यू हैव टू राइट द लाइक टर्म्स इन कॉलम. जो भी लाइक टर्म्स होगा उसको पहले कॉलम में लिखना है. जैसे एक्स स्क्वायर के साथ एक्स स्क्वायर लिखना है. यहाँ पे आप अगर एक्स वाई लिखते हो तो एक्स वाई वाला जो भी टर्म से लिखोगे, 7y वाला टर्म जो भी लिखोगे, 5 वाला टर्म जो भी यहाँ पे लिखोगे. तो इस तरह से हम लोग जो है सब्ट्रैक्शन भी कर सकते हैं. So next question we will see two operations together. Why? Because here it is asking from the sum of this and this. First you have to find the sum of this and this, and then you have to subtract this much. Okay. इसका जो sum होगा उससे इसको हम लोग को subtract करना है. तो let us find out the sum first. Okay. So sum of these two terms. So first we will write the like terms together. So 6 x to the power 4 and here minus 3 x to the power 4. Okay. Next we have x squared. So minus 3 x square. Here we have 5 x square. Okay. Then this may be x cube. ये x cube होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. ठीक है. तो ये x cube हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे भी x cube हो जाएगा. x cube. Now another we have plus 7x square and here we have minus 9x square, and then we have minus 5x, here also minus 6x, and then we have plus 1 and minus 8. Okay, तो सारा चीज अच्छे से देखना है. 6 3 7 5 1 sign specially you have to set properly. Minus plus minus minus. Okay. So now first we will do plus. Okay. So plus go here and so minus 8 and plus 8. So minus 7. So minus both. So minus 6 and minus 5. So 6 plus 5 is 11, right? So minus 11x. So minus 9 and plus 7. So minus 2x square. Okay. So minus 3 and plus 5. So plus 2x cube. Okay. Here 6 minus 3 is 3x to the power 4. This is plus the positive sign. So this is the required sum. Now you have to subtract this much. So if you are not to subtract this much, first you have to write this one. So 2x to the power 4, then minus 3x cube, then no, this is not. So minus 5x cube. Minus 5x cube. Now plus 2x square minus 6x minus 8. So now we want to subtract. So we learn the rules of subtraction also, we will add only, just we will change the sign. So here positive sign, it will be negative sign. Here negative sign, it will be positive sign. Here positive sign, it will be negative sign. Here negative sign, it will be positive sign. Here negative sign, it will be positive sign. Okay. So what will be the sum here? Okay. So now check. Now this is minus. This is minus. So this is why we are changing the sign. So why we used to change the sign? Because if you subtract, then definitely after that sign will be changed. So that is why we used to change the sign. Okay, यहाँ पे इसीलिए साइन चेंज होता है. तो यहाँ पे प्लस 8 है माइनस 7 है. सो प्लस 1 बचेगा. यहाँ पे माइनस 11 है और ये प्लस 6 है. सो 4 5 राइट. सो यहाँ पे माइनस 5 x बचेगा. ओके. Here both are minus, so minus 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 4 x square ऐड हो जाएगा. दोनों सेम साइन है. Here दोनों सेम साइन है. यहाँ भी 5 plus 2 7 x cube हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So प्लस साइन होगा यहाँ पे because प्लस प्लस and here 3 minus 2 is 1. So x to the power 4 will be left here. So x to the power 4 will be left here. So the required number which it is asking about will become x to the power 4 plus 7x cube minus 4x square minus 5x plus 1. So this is how, if this type of question come, then you can solve. Okay. यहाँ पे हम लोग ने क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा गलत लिखा है, तो लेट अस चेंज द वैल्यू ओनली. यहाँ पे देखो हम लोग ने 9x के बाद यहाँ पे 6x लिख लिया, ये वाला वैल्यू लिख लिया. तो यहाँ पे मैं इसको 6x कर देता हूँ माइनस 6x कर देता हूँ और यहाँ पे हम लोग ने 8 लिखा है माइनस 8 कर देता हूँ इसको. तो इसके हिसाब से ये आंसर सही होगा. ठीक है. तो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सॉल्व द कंसेप्ट. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. If you understood the concept, you can solve by yourself the rest of all any questions if it is asking. Okay. कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछ ले आप इस तरह से कर सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे वैल्यू रूल्स को करेक्शन कर लेना एक बार. ठीक है. So now I can say that you can able to do the questions related to 8C. So your homework will be exercise 8C. Okay. So do 8C and ask if you are not able to understand any questions, if you feel any doubts, we will discuss the same in classroom. Okay. And that's all I hope you can do definitely, because all the concept is should be explained, we have discussed. So homework is exercise 8C. Okay. Thank you. Have a good time. Take care. Bye bye.